put all the strawberries in this thing. And I'm gonna need a 2/4 cup thing, I think this is. And then you're gonna squish it in here. I'm doing it right now, but I'm probably gonna have to do this off camera, so I'll see you guys later. Okay. Do it again. I'm gonna keep doing this, guys. I'm gonna go put this in the sink. Okay, mine look like this, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. It just gave me juice, so instead I just took them all. And back to your drink, you're just gonna add these in there. If it will come out, there. Oops. And technically you just need a lot of crushed strawberries, so I'm gonna do this off camera. It looks like after, it's super good too.
No, you're not.
The strawberries taste really good. Bye guys, love you.